Part 1, beginning and introduction. Hello. How's it going? What's your name? My name is Stephen. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure. Nice to meet you too. Let me introduce myself. I'd like to introduce Sarah. This is my sister, Michelle. Have we met before? Part 2, continuing an introduction. What do you do? Where do you work? What brings you here? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do for fun? What kind of hobbies do you have? Part 3, ending an introduction. It was nice meeting you. Let's keep in touch. Let's get together again sometime. Here is my number: 5842453. Let's go for a coffee sometime. Do you want to meet up again sometime next week? Take care. I hope to see you soon. Here is my card. It has been a pleasure. We'll speak again soon.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is David. What is yours?
I'm Sarah. Pleased to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Austin.
That is awesome. I really like Austin. I'm from Los Angeles.
Have you met my friend Alex over there? He is also from Los Angeles.
Yes, I have. We talked briefly earlier.
I have to get going now. It was a pleasure meeting you, David.
Of course. See you later.